Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Stumble Guys. You will click on settings and you will enter. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem.